students, this is for 6th class and we have another questions of countable and uncountable. You can see here in this question we have to mention that countable and uncountable. जो countable words हैं, जो countable हैं things, उनके आगे हम put करेंगे C और जो uncountable words हैं उनके आगे हम put करेंगे UN. So like this, do this. First is, I met some interesting people during my stay in Japan. इन्होंने कहा है जब मैं जापान में था तब मैं कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग पीपल से मिला. जो पीपल है इसमें वो हमें बताना है कि वो काउंटेबल है या अनकाउंटेबल. पीपल इज़ यूज्ड एज प्लूरल, एवरीवन नोज, एंड वी काउंट देम. हम पीपल्स को काउंट कर सकते हैं कि वो कितने पीपल थे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Like this, I have done this exercise for you. You can see here, Josh gives her a box of chocolates whenever he meets her. So chocolates is also countable. I did like some mango juice. Please, juice is not been countable, so it is uncountable. You will put it there here UN. This is uncountable. So like this, you have to do this exercise in your notebook, as I have done this exercise for you. Next question is, there are some errors in these sentences, make changes as required. मैंने कुछ इसमें क्या करना है कि कुछ सेंटेंसेस में एरर्स हैं, गलतियां हैं, उनको आपको उनमें ठीक करना है जहाँ पे ज़रूरत है. See here, my sister gifted me a pair of binocular. Binocular दो होते हैं, pair होता है, तो we will put here S. So binoculars. We have received no information about the incident. Information के S कट कर देंगे क्योंकि informations नहीं होती, information होती है. Fish of all kinds are sold in this market. Fish of all kinds are sold in this के place पे हम क्या लगा देंगे, in these markets. Okay. Next is, astrophysics is taught by Professor Davies. The news was disturbing. The police has been asked to investigation into the matter. Mumps is a contagious disease. The orchestra is playing a hit song. I bought 2 dozen mother of pearl buttons from the market. I cut the rope with a pair of scissors. Now next question is, filling the blanks by choosing the correct nouns from those given in the brackets. अब ब्रैकेट में हमें सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल वर्ड्स गिवन हैं. इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करके हमें क्या करना है, सिर्फ फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, यानी जो हमारे पास ब्लैंक्स और वेकेंट है इन्हें फिल करने हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज, आई लाइक ऑल द फर्नीचर्स यू हैव. वी हैव 2 ऑप्शंस, फर्नीचर एंड फर्नीचर्स, so we will put furnitures. Next is, they bought new equipments for the sports club. He asked me to pack my luggage. I enjoy listening to different kinds of music. My new spectacles are very comfortable. At least 10 people were injured in the blast. We grow tropical fruits such as bananas and pineapples in our farm. The baby has a few hair on her head now. So we have 3 questions related to the countable and uncountable and singular or plural nouns. So we completed with this chapter. Tomorrow we will start another chapter. So you will do these 3 questions in your notebook and send your homework to your class teacher so that you will complete it or not. We can come to know about it. Have you completed your work or not? These are the answers here.